Everyone, in this section we'll learn some basic commands because when we'll start Sass, to work with Sass we need to write some commands. So before we start Sass, we should learn some basic commands. So in this section we'll discuss about some basic commands. So to run commands, you just search on your window or PC cmd. You can see command prompts. You can see, okay. So in command prompts you can see right now some directory path is showing. C, this is your C drive, and this is your users folder, and this is another folder or username, okay, of my PC. This can be different uh, on your PC according to your username, okay. So what we are going to learn in this case, here we are going to learn some commands called cd, okay. So at first see if I write. So right now we are in C directory, so if we want to go in D directory, so just write D colon. So right now we are in D directory. So if you want to go C directory, just write C colon, then you can see you are in C directory. If you want to go E directory, write E colon, so you are in E directory, okay. Now so say I'm going to run our project in one folder. It's called this one. So this is my path actually, D drive and then Udemy and then Sass, Udemy Sass folder name, okay. So this is in which directory? E directory, okay. So right now I am in where, this is in which directory? D directory actually, okay. Let me collapse it, then you can understand easily actually, okay. Okay, so actually this is my directory. See, Udemy Sass, okay. So this is my directory, okay. So I want to come in this directory usually using a command. So at first we have to select the main directory, main drive actually. So main drive is what? Here D drive, right? So in here is my main drive is where? E drive. So in this case we have to select D drive. So we have selected D drive. So now if I write cd, means change directory, and then space, then if I copy this directory and paste it here, then you can see I am right now in D drive Udemy Sass folder. Now if I create any folder, say new, okay. So now if I want to enter in this folder, then I have to write what? cd, okay, cd, then write new, okay. So D drive Udemy Sass new folder. So again inside this new folder, if I want to create another folder, say suppose another, so if I want to enter this folder, cd another, right? It's very interesting, right? So now if I want to go back to this folder, this new folder, then what I have to write? cd space dot dot slash, okay, enter, okay. So you can see the new folder. I am in new folder. So again if I want to go back to this folder, so then again cd space dot dot slash Udemy Sass. So again if I want to go this folder, see this one, another site, another this folder, then cd new, then this forward slash, then another, okay. You can see this is our forward slash and this backslash. Okay, if I am doing mistake, then you just fix it up. I am confused, this is forward or this is backward. I think this is forward and this is backward, right? Okay, so again, if I want to create another folder here, in inside this another, say new, sorry, new, enter, and then cd new. Okay, see, I am in this folder. So now if I want to go back, cd dot slash, okay, cd dot slash, okay, so I'm going back one by one. Okay, so if I want to go back in this directory, this one, this D directory, suppose I am right now in here. Okay, here new. Okay, so how can I go? cd forward slash another slash new. Okay, I made the mistake. Okay, cd slash another, this is the another. Okay, and then again forward slash, then new. Okay, again mistake. Okay, no problem, if you do mistake, you can learn more. Okay, cd another, just go at first this another folder. Okay, see another, and then cd, then new. Okay, so right now if I want to come back from this folder to this root drive, how can we come back? Just write cd and then get backslash. Okay, okay, so let me find out this is the backslash or backslash. mm, yeah, so thing is that this is the backslash. Okay, so this is forward slash and this is backslash. Okay, so again if you want to go this directory, okay, so write what you have to write, cd, okay, then you have to write your drive, udemy Sass backslash new slash another slash new. See, I have right now in this directory, and if I want to come back to this directory again, then what I have to write, cd dot forward slash. Okay, enter. So I am right now in this directory. So now you can see another command I'll show you right now. You can see here so many lines I have written here I have written so many lines, right? So many lines I have written here, see. So if you want to clean this line, so clean this screen, then simply press CLS, clear screen. See, uh, clear the skin. Okay, so this is for this class. We will discuss more about command, okay, in next class. Thank you.